Welcome back to Redneck's Dirty Hands. I'm Pete, and today we're welcoming in the new year. Happy New Year 2023. Let's keep it down, though. We're still recovering from the party there. So yeah, we cleaned up the shop. You know, we had a bit of a party in here. Had to make room for the dance floor. We got the motorcycle and my golf cart up on the hoist. Some sleds pushed down there. Dance floor is wide open, ready to go. Now it's just time to start all those New Year's resolutions. Yeah, I think my first resolution is gonna be let's keep the high test in the sleds and not in ourselves. Moonshine is fine, but not all the time. Oh, my head hurts. Even though it's a brand new year, Mother Nature's still up to her old tricks. 3 days ago, we were racing the Viper and the Polaris XC700. Lots of snow, good conditions, everything. And now here we are, double-digit plus degrees, mud and water everywhere. Like Mother Nature, yeah, it must be that time of month. Or either that or she's bipolar, something's going on. Just doesn't know what she wants to do. And it's pretty hard to make snowmobile content when you ain't got no snow, so we're gonna have to think of something here. I don't know. Some of you have commented, been admiring the wall art I got in the shop here, so hey, why not have a look at that? So that's a perfect wall hanger. I got that off a buddy of mine, Bill, in town there. He actually had two of them, almost identical. One, I think one's a 1979 or a 1980 Chrysler Sno-Runner. So yeah, a lot of you guys have been commenting about it, you know, wanting to know or get it going. So let's pull her off the shelf. We'll have a look at it anyway. I've had that thing hanging out up on the shelf for years, so it's covered in dust. Let's take her down and hopefully I can get it down without killing myself here. Oh, nice one. Well, that was a bit of a workout. I think I'm done for exercise for the whole year already, and we're only a day in, but she's down on the ground, and there's a sign of how long that thing's been up on the shelf. Look at the amount of dust. There's my handprint there. Oh, nice one. Look at that, sweetie. Look at this sweetie here. We got the sticker on here, date of manufacture, but can't read anything on there. Can kind of see the VIN. I'm not sure what any of that means. This is either a 1980 or 79. I can't remember which year this one is, but there you go. Manufactured by Chrysler Outboard Corp. There you go. She's a Chrysler. Doesn't really look like it's got a Hemi in it, though. However, it does look like it's starting its New Year's resolution on the diet. It's cut out all the carbs. She's gone. I think I've got it around here somewhere. I'll take a look for that. Now, I am not sure what the odds of us getting this thing running are. We're missing the throttle cable. Looks like we're missing something for the kill switch there. We do have a light switch. Got a headlight. We got a brake cable. Oh, that ain't doing diddly squat. And zero recoil action. Looks like we're gonna have to get a rope for that. She's not stuck though. She's rolling over, and that's a good sign. Probably not a good sign that there's no carburetor. All kinds of crap probably up in there, but nice Sno-Runner sticker. Look at that. That's the gas tank. And it's all quick connects. So that was a quick connect line that would run from there to the carburetor. Should be a Tillotson carburetor on there that has the fuel pump built in the bottom. So I'm pretty sure I've got it here somewhere. I'll find it. This whole thing, it's all pinned together. So everywhere there's a connection, there's a pin on here. Like in the foot pegs there, that bar, down at the ski. You come back here. Oh, where is it? That right there. That's your spark plug wrench, and it's also the pin for the top motor mount that holds it to the frame. I believe the whole idea of this thing was you could quick connect, disconnect everything, stick it in the trunk of your car, go out into the woods somewhere, clip it all together, go for a rip or a ride, and then put her all back in the trunk of your car and go home. That there was built back in the day when engineers actually used their brains. I mean, yeah, that's quick connect. It's just like Legos, you know. That's the original snow bike. Put that in the trunk of your car, clip it back together, go for a rip. Is that your snowmobile? Yeah. These are the toys we had when I was growing up. Which toy do you think's better, Gabe?
This one.
I like that one. All right, Gabe, so if I get my toy running, I think I should race you with yours. Before we get this party started, just like my dance moves on New Year's Eve, let's blow the dust off of that. Before we get going right into her, maybe we'll give her a bit of a spit shine first. This is just soapy water. Oh, and look at that. Little bit of a spit shine, and that thing is looking mighty fine. Nice one. Cleaned up pretty good. Even see the stickers on the ski there. Cleaned up really good. And I mean, now you can read all the decals on there. This has all the proper stuff for, you know, how to drain the tank and all your engine specs and spark plug, all that kind of stuff. And then I was looking, because we're missing the recoil on there. I was like, ah, crap. But maybe this thing doesn't actually have a recoil. It's supposed to, because cleaning it up here, it says starter rope inside. So, like, if I unpin that, there might be a pull cord in there. Looks like there's supposed to be. I had another one. I'm pretty sure it did have a recoil on there, but hey, we'll pull this thing apart and see if we can get the recoil rope. And I mean, the way this thing works is it's got a little jack shaft comes down. You can see the drive shaft. There's a little sprocket with a chain on there. The track on this thing, all it is basically like a bicycle chain that runs down around. It's got plastic paddles all the way down. So we'll take a look and check that track out, see the condition of it, and kind of liking this custom cover. That is not a stock cover for the track there. I'm pretty sure Bill probably did this. He was a handy fella, and well, still is a handy fella. And I even like the pinstripe on there. Nice touch. Now that this thing's all cleaned up, it's looking pretty good, you know. She's a beauty, but I've seen a couple of these for sale over the years, and I mean, usually, you know, average price is like $1,000 or so for these things, and kind of, you know, this kind of condition, you know. But a little while ago, I saw there was a fella had 2 of these for sale, $4,800 each. The fella was asking, you know. Some people go out to dinner, some people are just right out to lunch. I mean, they're cool old rigs and all that, but they ain't worth no $5,000, I don't think. I mean, if they are, hey, give me a call. And while I'm farting around with the Sno-Runner over there, my girlfriend here is setting up, doing some pictures for all of our merch and stickers and stuff to get the website up and going, because a lot of you have been asking about wanting to buy, you know, shirts, hats, stickers. Everybody's liking the Sheet Angle stickers, so we're trying to get the website set up so we can get that stuff available for order soon. So we will have the regular ball caps. We got some beanies, toques, you know, Canadian toupees. And then we got we got hoodies and t-shirts, sleeveless ones, all that. So keep a lookout. So first things first, I'm gonna wanna see if it's got spark, but to do that, I need to be able to pull it over. So let's pull this bar out of here and see if there is a pull. Quiet, you. Nope, nothing in there. Wah, wah, wah. All right, let's get this spark plug out and see if we got spark. What the heck size is that? Oh, that's a 13.6. No, it's an 18 mil. Let's try this one. Pretty dry. Now, seeing how there was no pull cord rope in the frame there, like the sticker said there was, I just got some regular pull cord rope that I had kicking around, tied it around a bolt for now as a temporary handle. Wrap it around here. It's even got a sticker that says rotation that away, so that's handy. So then we just got to wrap that around there. And then we should be able to give her a tug. She's not seized. Oh. All right, let's see if we got spark. All right, keep an eye on that fella right there. Nothing. Well, I'm a bit of a ding dong. I totally forgot there is a key on here. Let's turn that on. Try that again. Ho ho! That lit up like a Christmas tree. Holidays aren't over yet. Just to make sure that was not a fluke, let's give her again. And third time's a charm. Oh, ow. Guess I gotta redo that. Come on, sucker. Oh yeah. Apparently the Sno-Runner gods are smiling down on us because that kill switch is obviously broken in the position we need because we got spark. Spark on that plug there is brighter than those people in that movie Deliverance. Hey honey, come hold this.
Not a chance.
So we got tons of spark. So now I got a special concoction here. I'm gonna spray. That's just gas and 2-stroke oil. I've been catching a lot of crap by a lot of yous about spraying brake clean in there. So you know what? Let's keep that comment section a little quiet. So put the spark plug back in there. I sprayed some gas with the 2-stroke oil so it's lubricated. Don't give me crap, guys. Now there's a button here. It says on the sticker here to push the button. I honestly don't know what that is, but I'm gonna push it anyway. We got no carburetor on this thing, so it just is what it is, whatever I sprayed in there. Let's give it a tug and see. Make some noise. Did you hear that, baby? I don't know if you heard that, but that actually fired up and ran for a little bit. So, I'm gonna do the logical thing and just spray some gas in the intake. There's no carburetor on there. We're gonna try this again. Okay, round 2. Let's spray a little bit in here. Give that a tug. Did you hear that, baby? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you did. I cannot believe it, but after all those years sitting up on the shelf, no carburetor on anything, covered in dust, bring it down, a couple of tugs, and that thing flamed right up. But there is a surprise issue. Well, not really a surprise, but yeah, those little bits there. The same because there's no carburetor or throttle cable or nothing on it. I sprayed it right in the intake with the gas. It fired up. It actually revved up and spun the track, and those are bits of the plastic track paddles there on the floor. So, nice one. These bits right here, those were paddles. Oh, yeah. There you go, puppy. Those were the paddles off the tracks. So, the last one I had the same issue. I had it up and running, took it down the driveway. As soon as I hit a hard little patch of ice there, it like sheared all the paddles off the track. So I had to make little aluminum angle iron paddles and rivet them all on. So before we even really get up and going, gonna have to do the same thing to this one. Searching around my bench here, and that I do believe is the carburetor for this. So that was the carburetor for this. I can't believe I had it on the shelf there for that many years, but that's beauty. So bolted it on. Now I just got to rig up a fuel system. I got an idea for that. I don't really want to use the stock tank, the frame tank there, because yeah, it's a little rusty in there, and I don't really want to go and clean that right away. All I plan on doing is I got this coil of 5/16 hose. I'm gonna take my magic go juice there. I'll put it in the hose, hook the hose to the bottom of the Tillotson carburetor there, and then I'll just string it up, put it high on the ladder there, put a piece of steel on there so it'll gravity feed that carburetor and see if it'll run. I'm gonna give her a little bit of squirt of the magic juice, and we'll see if it'll start up again. Oh. Oh. Look out, doggy. All right, well, the pull cord is good if you're in an emergency, but we need something better. So I got my DeWalt drill with 11/16 socket on there. I'm going to put it right on the nut for the recoil rope there and see, maybe we just need to spin it over a little bit quicker to get her going. Let's see what happens. Oh, it just shot the nut. The left-handed thread on this thing, and when the engine starts and the drill's not spinning anymore, it spun the nut right off and chucked it across the room there. So we gotta put her back on. Take two. Change that name to Sno-Runner. That thing sounds mint. I can't believe that. Well, the makeshift fuel line worked out mint. The drill there for the starter, bonus, but we got a huge problem here. All right, Scooter, why don't you just grab the seat there and the track, lift that up. Let's see. Yeah, that's all. That's all the paddles off the track. And that's just from sitting there once. Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's toast. Well, I mean, hey, mission accomplished. We got it off the shelf. We got it running. But we got no snow to try it. And even if we did, apparently we don't have a track to run it with. Definitely gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Probably gonna have to remake like I did for the other one, cut all those aluminum angle irons and rivet them on there or something. Or I was toying with the thought of trying something else, maybe retrofitting a bigger track on there and maybe even ditching that original motor and putting like a 212, lawnmower engine on it or something. So let me know what you think about that. Not too bad for an afternoon project. We did get it up and running. There's a lot of things we could do to that. Things maybe I will do to that. Could. Who knows? But for now, it's up and running. It's break time. Well, unfortunately, I guess that's going to be it for now on this one. But, hey, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Maybe you guys know where I can get a track for these things. But I have a feeling I'm probably going to have to make something or retrofit something totally different on there. I kind of want to anyway. I got, the other one I had of these that I rode a few years back, I think I got an idea why these things never caught on, because they're pretty slow. So, I don't like slow stuff, but, well, I know you guys show a lot of interest on this, so I want to get it up and running and moving anyway. But if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. It helps us out. We enjoy doing these videos. Leave a comment, hit the like. Let me know what you think of this thing, and as always, take her easy.